We are going to study about minerals and power resources, chapter number 5. Now, natural gas. Natural gas has emerged as the most important field to meet the rising demand for energy. Gas Authority of India Limited handles the post-exploration activities such as transportation, processing, distribution, and marketing. Okay. Large reserves of gas are present in the Mumbai High region. It accounts for 70% of the country's production. Other gas wells are found in regions surrounding the Gulf of Cambay in Gujarat, in Andhra Pradesh along Godavari Krishna Basin, and in some regions of Tamil Nadu along Kaveri Basin. Okay. Gas is easily transported by pipelines to far-flung regions. The Hazira-Vijaypur-Jagdishpur pipeline is one of the longest gas pipelines of India. Okay. Natural gas kan ti hi fuel kan nei zinga chuanin apoi mo em a e rong bol na atan te fuel for vehicles kan ti atan te khanin apoi mo em ani tin India rama chuan Gas Authority of India Limited kan ti hianin natural gas shal chwa te sem chwa te thondar kan ti ang chi akha e khamina kha an thoka India rama hianin gas reserve kan nei lian ber chu Mumbai High region ani a India ramina gas kan thar chwa zong zong 70% hi Mumbai High region atanga kan lai chaw ani Mumbai High region ba ka hianin Gujarat Gulf of Cambay ate Andhra Pradesh Godavari Krishna Basin kan ti ate tin Tamil Nadu le Kaveri Basin ate hianin gas lai chaw ani boka India ramina gas kan lai chaw te hi pipelines mangkhanin mun kil khor zo ka ti thondar ani china Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur HVJ pipeline kan te hi India ramina gas pipeline kan nei thui ber ni Some advantages of natural gas are it is non-polluting and clean. It can be easily transported by pipelines that do not interfere with surface transport. It is cheap and readily available. It has higher thermal efficiency. It is safer to store. It is reliable as strikes, storms, or other disasters do not affect the pipelines that are underground. Okay. Natural gas thatnate athiang hliba bollo velawa tin pipelines kan ti mangkhanin mun chang changa thondar ani china amana tloma olsam taka man mei thei tur khanin a omreng boka tin arin tlak ema nge thlipui kan tiang chite other disaster chiana quarrel chiana in ati boy velawa san chu pipe kha athonna pipeline sakha an leinwaya ate phomani china wangin Some problems of natural gas are initial cost of laying pipelines is expensive. Leaks are hard to detect. Owing to high amount of methane, it is highly combustible. It is non-renewable. India has limited reserve of gas well. Natural gas thattok lo nate ve thung chu pipe hum vel kha hau tak ema sum sen kha atam thin ani tin kan ngai thlak to ang khan pai pakha tuin hnuaya te le hnuaya te phomani china wang khan alik nalai zon chwa kha har se mema akang du ema wangin kang me chwa kha ol chama tin non renewable resources man nun thailo kan ti ang chi kha ani awang khan ren chem kha angai thin bokani Now electricity Hydroelectricity number 1 Hydroelectricity is generated by building dams across rivers. The force of falling water drives the turbines at the base of the dams to generate hydropower. The development and potential of hydropower depends upon certain physical and human factors such as the volume of river water and regularity in its flow. huge capital investment, engineering skills, and minimal erosional activity of the rivers. Some multipurpose dams in India are Bakranangal Dam, Damodar Valley Corporation, Hirakud Dam. Okay. Hydroelectricity kan ti chuan tui luang chakna mga power kan siam chho kha hydroelectricity kan ti chu ni ta a India rama hianin hydroelectricity atanga power kan siam chho hi power kan nei zong zong atanga chu ta 20% vel hi ani India rama hianin multipurpose dams kan ti poimo deuh kan nei then khate chu Bakranangal Dam kan ti te Damodar Valley Corporation kan ti te Hirakud Dam kan ti ang chi te ke hydroelectricity siam chhana atana dam poimo te ni a. Now thermal energy. Thermal power is generated by using coal, petroleum, or natural gas. The generation of thermal power depends on exhaustible sources which cause environmental pollutions. The states of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Haryana, and Rajasthan are the important producers of thermal power. Okay. Thermal power kan ti hi chu coal, petroleum le natural gas atanga power kan siam chu ho khani ta heng ho hi exhaustible sources non renewable resources kan ti ang chi khani a environmental pollution kan ti ang chi a kha thlen na same em thina ni internal air pollution kan ti ang chi te ho India rama hianin thermal power siam chuak tu state poimo te chu Chhattisgarh te Odisha te UP, West Bengal, Karnataka, Haryana le Rajasthan te ni. Nuclear or atomic power. Nuclear or atomic energy is obtained by altering in controlled conditions the structure of atoms or certain radioactive elements like uranium. The process of this alteration is called atomic fission. It is carried on by a nuclear reactor. Nuclear energy is the most powerful kind of energy. It produces a great amount of heat. Uranium, thorium, barium, and beryllium are the main sources of nuclear energy. Okay. These minerals are exhaustible and non-renewable resources. Nuclear energy also produces harmful radiations. Uranium is mined at Singhbum in Jharkhand and some parts of Rajasthan. Thorium is also mined along the Kerala coast. We have 6 nuclear power plants at Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu, Kakrapara in Gujarat, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Rawabata in Rajasthan, and Kaiga in Karnataka. Okay. Nuclear or atomic energy kan ti hi chu control na fel fai tak noya dinangai china achan chu mishing ta na hlawom harmful radiations kan ti ang chi kha pek chwa the shina wang khanin phingpur kha angai shene nuclear atomic energy cham chwan atana raw material poimo deuh te chu uranium, thorium, barium le beryllium te hin ni a heng ho hi heng minerals ho hi exhaustible non-renewable resources kan ti ang chi ho khan ni a uranium hi India rama chuan Jharkhand state a Singhbum district sa le Rajasthan mun chen khata ten lai chwaka tin thorium hi Kerala ko sa an lai chwak bokani India rama hian nuclear power plant paruk kan neya chungte chu Maharashtra a Tarapur te Tamil Nadu a Kalpakam te Gujarat a Kakrapara te UP a Narora te Rajasthan a Rawabata ale Karnataka a Kaiga te hianin nuclear power plants ka India ramin kan ne. Now non-conventional sources of energy. Sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, biomass, tidal energy, geothermal energy, and waste are termed as non-conventional sources of power. Okay. Kan ngai thlak tong khan non-conventional sources of power kan ti chu ni tin a siam thar le zung thei power hawakha ania antinan solar energy kan ti te wind energy kan ti te biomass tidal energy geothermal energy kan ti ang chi ho khan ni a nitin heng ho chu renewable resources an ni nitin a in siam thar le theng chi ho khan ni now solar energy. India has vast potential for developing solar energy. Rajasthan and Gujarat, with their desert climate and tropical location, possesses the ideal conditions for developing solar energy plants. Solar energy is a clean, pollution-free, and inexhaustible source of energy. Electricity is generated by using the photovoltaic method to convert sunlight directly into solar energy. Solar domestic lights, street lighting, and solar water heaters have been installed in several parts of India. Okay. India ram hi solar energy a hianin ma kan son na sem ema apik takin Rajasthan le Gujarat a hian solar energy hi an mang warin enge solar energy a hianin ma an son na sem emani solar energy hi athiang hlima pollution athlen ve ngai lawa tin renewable sources of energy kan ti ang chi kha ti thareng the ang chi man non the ang chi kha ni awang khanin an tangkai em ani ni zung changna kha kholin rong bol atan te eng chhit atan te street light tui ti lumna mo ka tiang atang khanin an mang thin ani now wind energy. India is known as a wind superpower. The largest cluster of windmill is found along the eastern coastal plains. Besides Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha are the other states where windmills have been set up. Okay. Wind energy kan ti apo hi air pollution kan ti ang pollution free environmental pollution kan ti ang chi kha thlen ve ngai lawa renewable sources of energy kan ti ang chi kha ni tin India ram hi khi chakna mangna saberam kan ni a windmills a hi a big takin coastal plains eastern coastal plains a an din na sa a eastern coastal plains ba ka hian Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh le Odisha ate hian windmills ka din ani bawk ani. Now biogas. Also known as gobar gas, this energy is produced by using farm waste, plants and scraps, bagasse, animals and human waste. When decomposition occurs, the waste matter gets converted to gases fuel called biogas. The gas consists of methane and carbon dioxide and a small amount of hydrogen sulfide. Okay. The gas is used for cooking, lighting and pumping water. Biogas hi gobar gas ti inan wa boka enge thai choi te plants kan ti ang chi te mishing ek le ran ek atang khanin an siam thina chuan biogas kan ti a hian methane le carbon dioxide ba ka hianin hydrogen sulfide kan tlem azong kha atel ve bawk ani chuan biogas kan ti a hi rong bol na atan te eng chit atan ba ka khan tui pam na atan an mang tangkai em ani. Now tidal energy. The daily rise and fall in the level of seawater may not be noticeable at a beach, but in an enclosed cover or inlet, the difference in the level of water is enough to drive turbines that are placed at the entrance to the inlet. Okay. India has the potential to develop tidal energy in the Gulf of Kutch, where a 900 megawatt plant has already been installed by National Hydropower Corporation. Okay. Tidal energy kan ti chu tuifon na atanga tuifon na sa atanga energy an siam chu akani ta a chuanin India ramayan Gulf of Kutch kan ti hanin megawatt 900 te chuak the akha National Hydropower Corporation hian an install ani Gulf of Kutch hian. Now geothermal energy. Electricity can be produced with the heat from the interior of the earth. In such places, hot springs and geysers are found. In areas where high temperatures are found close to the earth's surface, the steam from the hot water is used to generate power. Okay? Geothermal energy kan ti chu lei chungril sadlu tuka wanga enge power electric mo power an in siam chuak khani ta a tuilum ron chik chuak kan ti ang chi te kate ang khani ta a lei chungril temperature sana wang khanin enge power khan sa takin ro in siam chuak thina ni. Now conservation of power resources. One could begin by switching off power when not in use or using public transport or carpool instead of individual cars. Vehicles, when waiting at the traffic lights, can be switched off to save fuel. It is important to use energy-efficient appliances and lights. Power-saving devices should be used and non-conventional sources of energy should be developed. Okay? Kan ngai thak to angkha in power resources akha chini conventional and non-conventional sources of energy and chen kan ti to ka atlang point conventional sources of energy kan ti ka chu non-renewable resources an ya wang khanin man non the ani lawa ve khat kan man chuan zo ale pek tur kham to lawa chu wang chuan kan ren chem kha anga zwal e me mani kan omlo na room ang chi te katyanga khan light ka kan on bu tur ni lawa kan off tur ni atin public transport akha kal veiwa vel na atang khanin private transport car kan ti ang chite individual cars kan ti ang chite khamang war lo khan public transport akha power rem chemna atan khanin kan mang war le turani tin traffic lights kan nga chungin fuel ren chemna atan khanin kan switch off thin turani boka tin power saving devices kan ti ang chi ka power he lo ang chi manra chi hrang hrang kha kan mang war turani a chumi ba ka chuanin non conventional sources of energy renewable sources of energy kan ti ang chi ho solar energy kan ti te wind energy kan ti ang chi tidal geothermal khang hawa kha man kan war deuh deuh turani power ren chemna atan. That's all for today. Thank you.